Well, here it is. Now I didn't drop the truck the whole way down, so the weight isn't on the suspension yet. I don't think it's gonna go up too much higher, but I definitely might have to do a little trimming right here. Definitely turning, have to do a little trimming there. But there's the wheels, guys. I think it's gonna look pretty sweet. Oh man, there's another wheel in the back. Looks pretty good. Like I said, it's not down on the ground yet, so not really sure yet, but this is where I'm going to end the video right now. Tomorrow, I'm going to get it up to my house. And that way, when my son comes back on Friday, he'll be able to see the truck and I'll be able to get his reaction, and then that'll be a whole nother video for, let's call it a cinematic video. Now I know listen, it's nothing special. It's not an any level lift. It's not bags. It's a rough country 7-inch lift. The tires are 37 by 13.5. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing like, you know, SEMA vehicle or anything, but it's crazy enough for me being a mini trucker. And it's good enough for my son to love having a monster truck. So let me know what you guys think so far. I'll shoot the video tomorrow, and yeah, let me know what you think. And now that this is pretty well done, I'll be getting back on the S10, trying to get that rolling and everything. Hopefully get the motor wired up. Maybe get it running soon. I'm on a budget right now. We're going into winter, but then I do have plans to get back on the Suburban. I gotta roll the frame back under the body. So I gotta put the body in the garage, roll the frame under it, get it up in the air, square up the body. That way I can start building the body mounts for it. And that sounds like a task in itself. So that should be fun. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good night.